Fine girl, how are you now?
I did now.
I did alright. So what are you doing under this hot sun? Okay, there's no sun.
So how far are we going home?
Yes, of course. Why would I be here? Look at you. You're already my wife.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, what is shy?
I like that.
Come on, sit down here.
Okay.
Alright.
Easy. Thank you.
And if you're like, you shouldn't be walking alone under this hot sun.
It's not hot. Yes.
Alright. Jam it, don't worry. That's it. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Jesus! What the f is this? What happened?
I'm so sorry.
What did I do? Kirimoche? Ole!
Wait. I just wanted to give you breakfast on bed. I'm so sorry, babe.
Who are you to give me breakfast? Do I know you before? Why did you get into my house? You are a thief. Why are you wearing my clothes? Ole!
Have you forgotten?
Forgotten what?
You picked me on the road and then you told me you love me and then this is the kind of girl you've been looking for all your life.
I was drunk. You know I was drunk. Come on.
It's a little too late for that. I'm already in love.
In love with who? Where? Who arranged my house like this?
I did.
Who gave me the power?
You don't know why it's
Why
going
did you
on.
arrange my house for God's sake? Did I ask you? You know what? Just pack your things and leave. What the f?
You're welcome.
Where are my clothes?
Laundry. I had to wash them. Dirty.
Dirty. Leave my house.
I'm sorry, it's too late.
See, I have a girlfriend. I'm getting married next week. What the f is this? I'm getting married next week. She's coming back to Lagos today. You need to leave my house now and take off my clothes.
You're hurting me. I said I'm sorry.
I'm hurting you. I'm
sorry. It's a mistake. What?
Where are my sheets?
No, you're speaking out.
I washed
You flushed my sheet. You washed my toilet.
Yeah.
Why are you sending message?
I'm sorry.
Leave my house.
Okay.
Now.
I said I'm sorry.
You know your job. Your job is to do and go. OS, do and go. Not do and stay.
I said I'm sorry.
Leave my house and off my clothes.
You like?
I like, but leave my house.
He likes it.
Why you go arrange person house like this? What is going on? Did I even give you permission to arrange my house? What? What the fuck? See, everything will be laid by.
Babe, I may need hypo to wash the bed sheet.
You may need iPod to watch what?
Are you okay?
What did I tell you upstairs now? I told you, my girlfriend is coming. We are getting married next week. She's coming to Lagos today. You need to leave my house and take off my clothes. Why did you arrange my house like this? Did I beg for you to arrange my house?
Why are you looking worried and shouting?
Wait. Let me remind you of what is going on here. I picked you up as Olosho on the f***ing street. Don't shush me. How dare you shush me? You shush. Don't you ever shush me.
Okay, listen. I can't leave because I'm not yet done. I have cleaning to do. I have to pack your dirty clothes.
I will do everything myself. I promise you I can do all these things myself. Please leave.
I can't leave. I'm in my man's house.
Who's your man? Which man? I'm not even a man. I'm not a man, I'm a boy. I'm a small boy. Why the f do you want to put yourself on my neck?
I'm not leaving.
No, you're speaking out.
Say that again.
I'm not leaving.
You're not leaving.
What's wrong with you now? See, I have evidence of our love. You told me so many things yesterday. Come and see. Come and see this evidence. Come, baby. This evidence.
Do you love me?
You know what? You're my wife now.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh God. Look at the texture of your skin.
Evidence.
What? Delete this video.
No.
Delete this video. Give me that phone.
No, I'm not
Give me that phone. What?
You're tickling
I'm not touching you. I'm not tickling you.
You're tickling me.
Delete that video now.
Wait,
Delete,
you know what?
delete that video.
Hey guys,
What
see
did
my
you-
baby.
what
Try
did
what
you-
do without me.
Cut that video.
Look at
Oh, you know what? You know what?
What?
You know what?
What?
You know what? You know what? You know what?
I'm not going to delete the video because that's the evidence I'm going to show our children that this is how daddy and mommy met.
Which children?
Our babies.
Let's say the Chris.
Baby.
I'm done. I will never make some. Gang. You have drink poison.
Hey!
Yes, you have drank poison. And let me tell you something. I will only give you the antidote. Only if you promise me one thing.
I'll do anything. I'll do anything you
Say
want.
God.
God now, God.
G-O-D, God.
G-O-D, God.
God.
God, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the Holy Spirit.
Fine. You leave. Accepted?
Yes, now.
You will leave my house if I give you antidote.
Yes, I will. Are you sure you want me to leave?
Yeah, take.
I should leave?
I'm just joking. There's no antidote.
Then I don't want to go.
I don't understand. I you are mad. Come on, girl.
I don't want to go. Wait.
Give my clothes.
Wait.
Off
Come
my
on now.
clothes.
What's wrong with you?
Off my. Your Uber is outside.
Okay. So is this what you usually do to girls? You use girls, finish, they'll cook, they'll clean for you, they'll do everything. You will not let them go.
My landlord.
God catch you.
Yes, I did.
God catch you.
I'm just having a great
Hey,
fun.
go. Notice I prepare come for you. I'm ready for you today. I'll be looking for you for my money.
I've not been around.
Eh.
I've not been around. I traveled.
See,
I
I
traveled.
intentionally came around this time. See.
Sir, Emma Binu, sir, so I can explain what happened, sir.
Oh, yeah, they
So
listen.
thank you very much, sir. First, I traveled to Seychelles. Seychelles. So mo busy in there, work and everything. Mo sáré lọ ya àwọn content kan. Ìgbà tí mo padà dé, sir, I went to Gambia. Yeah, from Gambia.
Who's asking you all this story?
I'm trying to explain to you why you have not gotten your money, sir. So I have your money in my wallet, but my BTC.
Daddy. John Toriolon, sir, we are very sorry.
Who are you?
I'm his new wife. And
Please don't.
I am his new wife.
So you are married?
I'm not married. I'm married. Am I? I'm married. Yes.
Oh,
Daddy. Yes,
congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I'm a new bride. It would be unfair to send me out on the road.
Yeah.
I won't have a place to stay. I can't go back to my family house.
Hey, you are from which state?
I'm from Ekiti State, sir.
Oh, I can see people from Ekiti.
Yeah.
Oh, you are a very nice girl.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you so much, sir.
So you have a good wife?
I have a good wife.
You have a good wife.
I have a good wife.
Daddy, I have a gift for you, sir. Yes.
Oh, mommy.
You're not going back inside. Sir.
So you have a good wife like this?
I don't even know that I have a good wife. To start with,
Daddy. One of your boys can have it. Thank you so much, sir.
Guys, enjoy yourself. Let's see how this discussion is going.
Yes, sir.
So what did you say?
I said that when I married my wife last night, we had a long night. That's why I traveled to Seychelles, sir.
The only thing that is saving you now, if not because of this girl, you are a very nice girl.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I know your mommy would have been a very nice mother. I take it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
If not because of her, see what I want to tell you. I'm leaving you today just because of this.
Oh, Daddy, thank you so much, sir.
She's a very nice woman. Yeah, you see, take care of her very well.
It's fine.
Take care of her very well.
Yes, sir.
So just pay me anytime you have my money. No, Allah. What is wrong with your neck?
I slept on my neck.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, landlord.
Let's go.
Thank you very much, sir.
What happened?
No.
You see, what I just want, I forgot to tell you.
Yes, sir.
I would like to be seeing her face.
Yeah, see, this is our house.
So I'd like to be seeing her face.
She'll be here.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you, baby. You see that we are so
Never people.
Leave it, sir.
Yeah, now.
We dey fine.
Help, no problem.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir.
So what you not gonna do?
What see one of your tenants here?
You owe money.
Na no, na small money. Just
Now
one.
I don't know the person.
Bye, sir. Sir, and you don't give us one.
Okay, make enjoy yourself. Make una take. Give them out. We will need them tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Let's go and meet that guy. Hey, Mr. Man. Come.
Who is this man in the first place?
My guy, how you doing now?
Mr. Dollar,
How you doing now, brotherly?
we dey do our work.
I know say they do your work, brotherly.
Since when you like free light,
Yes.
you don't come make you enjoy darkness.
That's the point. So the thing is, I understand that I've not paid. So I recently went to Seychelles, and then when I got to Seychelles, I went to Gambia. I've really been busy.
Now money, this you don't dey talk this is.
Uncles, please, before we start shouting on each other, please, can you just have something to eat? You look stressed.
Now you are talking. Mommy. Only say.
Thank you. Oh, baby, they're so hungry. So, Uncle, while you're eating, can I please beg? I know he may be owing you some things. Please, we just got married. And it would be bad if we have our honeymoon inside heat. Sorry. Imagine having a baby because I may be pregnant soon and our baby in the heat.
You don't do. No, they cry. See. Because of this fine lady, if we call next month, we'll call the light. We'll call this light. You be wicked person. You won't put this lady for darkness.
Thank you, Uncle.
Wow.
Thank you. And for the talkie too, you're welcome.
See, the only money they go marry.
I'm not even
You say talk.
Uncle.
My sister, thank you, Darren.
Thank you.
No, they go,
You're
bro.
so nice. What's wrong with you now? After
Hey. See, if we call next month, we'll not see this lady. We'll come out the house and the pool. The talking to Darren.
He's kissing Phantom.
Thank you, man.
I don't really use light like that. You guys don't give us light. You don't give us light.
They talk. We'll come next month.
Hey, baby, don't be angry.
Baby, fuck, who the fuck is your baby? Are you mad? Who's your baby? I'm going to punish you.
After everything I did
Go
for
inside, Joe. Go outside.
Oh, yeah,
Get
go.
out. Sorry, go inside. Idiot.
Hey, leave me, I'll go outside.
Yeah, sorry. Go inside.
Nonsense. Come and beg me very well. Hug me. Uncle! I love you too. I love you so much.
Which kind of thing be this, God? Hello, babe.
Hello, babe. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm at the airport now. My flight will be here soon. I'll be in Lagos shortly. I can't wait to see you, baby.
What? It's today. You are ready?
Are you okay?
Okay. It's fine. I can't wait to see you. Just call me when you text me when you get to the airport. Okay? Text me when you get to the airport.
Okay.
Come, they go your house now. I beg.
So, babe, now that everybody in your life accepts me, I'm thinking we could make some renovations to the house. What do you think? First off, I do not like this couch. I want like a floral couch, something pink that shows that you have a girl in your life. And I don't like the color of this paint. It's dull. I want something glossy.
Yeah, I will soon beat someone.
And this is old-fashioned. Stop. I'm a girl. And I need my TikTok space. Where can I have my TikTok space? We'll find something. And I don't like this dining too. It's very boring. And shopping! We need to go shopping.
Who's there?
Yes, come in.
Hello.
Casey? Hi! Hey, Casey! Come, sit down, please. I've had a lot of... Sit, please, sit. What? Did you get for champagne?
I'm not talking about anything. I've never
I really heard about you.
How do you know his name?
He's our friend. Welcome, I've heard so much about you and you're adorable.
Same here.
Same where?
If you want my bottle.
Where? Wow. Same. Have I ever mentioned about...
Are you this hospitable?
Yes.
Fuck, I did not even mention...
Guy, you've won a jackpot. You are very lucky. You must be a very lucky man.
Casey. I want to ask you a very important question.
I know this can be very convincing, but guy, you met your woman.
Casey,
okay.
I'm
telling you from a point of experience.
If that hand touch my chest again, if I don't bite your lip, call me bastard.
Has he gotten to that?
If I don't bite your lip, call me bastard. I want to ask you a very important question, please.
Yes, she's the one.
And I want you to answer me very honestly.
Okay,
Are you ready?
Are
you ready?
Yes.
Are you mad? Are you a mad person?
Casey!
You know...
Here you go.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Normally I don't do...
you don't do this.
I'm all about doing for you. I'll try it.
Thank you.
Speaking about madness, even a madman will confirm this is a white party.
I'm so shy.
At this time and age, a lady will go to the kitchen and prepare amala and a big and a wedu. My guy must be sick. Can I wash my...
Water.
No, don't worry. I came prepared.
Casey.
Young man.
Casey.
Okay, you're interested. Want to join me?
Casey.
Can you get his own? He's like he's hungry too.
Casey, listen, baby.
If you touch me again, Casey.
Don't mind if you don't want to.
Casey, drop that food. We need to talk.
About
her.
Nothing.
Don't touch me.
There is nothing to talk about.
Casey, please.
See. Even the Bible says he will speak to you in the little faith over mighty thing. If you don't have eyes to see, people like us behind you will see for you.
Hallelujah.
We will see for you. Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? You want to lose the country? You want to lose your head? Are you blind? Are you stupid? Are you a deaf man? I am talking to you. I'm telling you something. It's something.
If that meat enter my mouth.
Okay, don't worry.
That meat.
You're right, I love meat.
I just realized that not all friends are your friends. Not every friend I am befriending is befriending you. Leave my house.
No, honey, you can't make decisions alone.
If your hand touch this place of my head again, if I not bite your left nipple, you call me bastard.
You know what? I don't even like having good food like this. I like to observe table manners. I don't like talking while eating.
Yes, leave my house.
Give me a takeaway of this.
Sure.
I'm leaving, but not without the food, bro.
Sure.
Not without the food.
Sure, Mr. Casey.
My God. Sister, where are you from again? You're lucky. Oh, God.
You are lucky. You are lucky that I am scared to kill someone. Leave my house.
Let me wait for
you. Enter my house. You know if you ask me what they saw. Have you seen this girl in my life before? Do you know her from anywhere?
But she gave me drink first.
So it is drink and food that is your problem.
And she even gave me food. With 4 meats.
It's fine. Let them take away so you can get the fuck out of this place. Give me my champagne.
Have you gotten to that?
It has gotten to that.
You are not quarreling now.
It will get to this now if you don't leave my house.
No. Dollar,
it will get to this now if you don't leave. It will get to this now if you don't leave my house. It will get to this now if you don't leave my house. She gave you 4 meats. 4 meats. Is it 4 meats that she gave you? 4 meats. You gave me 4 meats. I need you to leave. I'm sorry. I promise if you leave today, I will not forget you. I'm sure what you have done for me about the landlord, the light and everything. But please, I was just drunk, Casey. Please leave.
Relax.
She said, I didn't hear. I need you to go now. Lisa is going to beg you. You can follow back.
Relax. I was never planning to stay. I just wanted to teach you a lesson.
I don't understand what you're saying.
It's not every girl you see that you pick up because of Konji. You don't know who is who.
Okay, so can you leave? I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Babe!
Babe! Jesus.
Babe, what took you so long? What happened? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
You didn't even care to hug me.
you sure you're okay?
I'm very good. Let me. How was it? How was the journey?
Fine.
Yeah. Olosho. You know what? You're my wife now.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh, God. Look at the texture of your skin. Man.
You say you're going to marry me? I told you I'll never leave you.